Okay, so we've got a Briggs here, and the key seems to be sheared. I'm going to zoom in on there. You can see how the key is not perfectly in line with the groove, if you will, that the key's supposed to go to. It's a little off to the side, and even that little bit can make a mower run bad or miss. So we're going to use a hammer and a pry bar. Smack her off. She come loose? Nope, not yet. Try one more time. There she comes. She is loose. Okay, so we'll pull this off. Oh, can't spin her now. Okay, there's the key. See, just that little bit of groove. Just that little bit of groove. That shiny spot right there. That little bit of groove cause your timing to be out. That little shine right there, my thumbnail barely reaches that line. That's enough to do it. Alright, zoom back out. And put the new one back in. See if we can get these. There we go. We are lined up. That is a lot better right there. Now these shafts are tapered, so that's why the flywheel will tighten itself up. Alright, flywheel key is brand new. Like I said, even just the smallest bit of shear will make your mower out of time, and even though it runs, it might sputter and make all sorts of weird noises. So that was a super quick flywheel key change.